What's going on, guys? UPS driver just dropped this off, so time for another install. Let's get it. Aw, yeah. Hell yeah, baby. Yes. Essentially, that's exactly the finish I'm going for, and I'm planning on mounting them up there to fill in that gap. And yeah, as you can see, that'll be the pinhole where the KC light goes on. Then we also got the amber covers. These will just go over the lights for the amber look. Can't wait. Alright guys, let's start installing this. And first things first is the brackets. So that's how this unit goes, and it's a straight bolt-on, so that should be quite simple. Alright guys, it's getting pretty dark. I'll save the wiring for later because I got something neat to show you guys too there. But in the meantime, let me show you the Flex Era 4 lights up and close. So here it is guys. So as you can tell, big difference from my light bar. So this one has 4 LEDs on one light. It also has some amber setting. So only one light here in the middle actually turns on amber. So that's gonna give the Jeep a nice utility look. Hell yeah, can't wait. Alright guys, this is the following day, and this time I'll be wiring the KC lights because it got dark on me real quick yesterday. So yeah, it's time to figure out this mess. Since I'll be wiring my flex arrays to my factory auxiliary switches, I'm gonna cut off all this excess and just keep my red, white, and black wires before the terminal. And there you have it folks, simplified wiring. KC lights, which is the red, amber for the white, and of course your ground. There we go. Now we got light bar switch ready, flex light switch ready, amber flex light switch ready. Let's go.
I just finished wiring my lights. Still a little botchy, but can tidy up later. But in the meantime, as you can see, I have aux 3 and 4 connected. So 3 is the flex lights and 4 is the amber flex lights. And then auxiliary 1 is to the main light bar. So I'm just gonna tuck this in here in the meantime. And also, one thing to note, the wiring harness for the flex arrows, if you're gonna mount them on your top, both wires are same distance. So since the battery's on this end, I'm having issue with that. And over there, the wire is a little short. So because of that, I had to make an extension cable so I can have the meet point be around the middle of the bay, and they'll extend to the aux switches. So yeah, that's one little hurdle I came across. Alright guys, quick test run of the KC lights and the aux switches. Alright, so light bar test, aux 1. Woo! As you can see, light bar is on, baby. On, son. Okay. Woo! Alright, so now aux 3 test, which should be the flex arrow 4s. On, son! And last but not least, aux 4 amber lights. Oh baby, they work! Woo! Aux 4, hell yeah. Now I think I got the perfect excuse to hit up the beach and test these babies out, so let's go. Alright guys, so I'm at the beach, and like I said, no better place to test out these lights. I mean, look at that, man. Dark, can't see anything. If these lights weren't on right now, I'd be scared, man. Alright, so first impressions already on these flex lights. They were awesome in getting to this UFO beach. They lit up the sand very well. I also had the amber covers on them, so the lighting was just good. It didn't bother the eyes. It made everything so clear. I digged it. It also helped me stay in line with the tracks I was supposed to follow, because man, a bunch of soft sand up in here. But let's get to the good stuff. Testing. Let's get it. So this is my current point of view from the driver's seat. Now let's turn on these flex aero lights. And currently I have the amber cover on them, so they're gonna light up the scene with yellow. But in any case, all right, here we go. Flex light, Aero 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Baby! Ah, that's nice and bright. So you see how the amber gives it a nice, like, it just gives it a better view, especially at dark. It doesn't bother the eyes, man. It's really nice. Really, really nice and light on the eyes. I dig it. All right. So, bam, that was the Flex Eras with the amber covers. Now I'm gonna try the Flex Era amber cover amber light. See how much that illuminates. Shouldn't be too much. Bam. Yeah, not much illumination from the driver's side, but they do look awesome outside. Actually, let me show you. So that's currently in amber mode, and with the amber cover it gives it a lot more like, well, amber. There you have it, guys. Quick test run of my KC HiLites. Loving it, man. Perfect setup, man, for this type of like adventuring. Their logo's legit, man. Adventure further. Hell yeah, baby.